Hello. Anyway, this is just a quick video covering some of the ways you can use Blogger itself, or Blogger is basically a stats checker to tell you how good traffic you're getting or how much traffic you're potentially getting. Now, in an example here, we can see before that, I had approximately 59 views. According to that, on yesterday, I basically had 383, and then we can see the stats at the moment, it's about 25. So, in a lot of cases, you can basically tell if your traffic is real or fake quite easy in some cases. In example here, if we use how many, according to that, Macintosh-based people I've had, or Apple people, we can see we've had quite a lot. So we could basically, if we want to, try and do some research into find out how exactly all these people using Macintosh computer come. We can also see as well, I've got quite a high amount of Russians, which is unusual for the site. And then we can go down a stat. So you can basically use that to say, is this fake traffic, which it seems some of it will be to a certain degree, or are they real? If you always get, say, a decent amount of Russian people, it is highly likely they're real. But if you get an unexpected high amount of people from Russia, it does suggest there is going to be some fake traffic. It can be traffic from bloggers. Sometimes actually includes traffic from software such as Ahrefs and other SEO software. So you can find in some cases that may be a case of why you're getting so much traffic. So you can use the stats here to basically tell you. We can also see, looking quickly, according to that, majorities come from Russia, then the next one's Finland, then Germany, then United States and United Kingdom, and then China, Hong Kong, Pakistan, Canada, India, South Korea, Poland, and others. So you can use this as quite a powerful way to basically monitor your traffic or your use as a whole. One of the things I particularly like about Blogger is Blogger's traffic monitor in a lot of cases is pretty accurate. One of actually the best ways you can actually monitor traffic, which may be useful for some people, is one of the reasons I would say to install AdSense is even if you, for argument that you don't make so much money, maybe you're in the wrong country, wrong niche, but having actually AdSense code on your site itself is to me probably the best actually software you can get to actually monitor your traffic. So if you're, wondering what's going on in your traffic, and you get a high amount of people and it doesn't need to show up in AdSense, then it basically tells you it's probably bot traffic or fake traffic or traffic which is no value to you. That's a good thing you can use AdSense for in a lot of cases. And regarding the sort of the stats you get here, like everything, you might find some things are wrong, some things are mistakes. That's just how things go. But it is a good little thing to be aware of if you're going to be using Blogger as a whole. And another advantage you get with Blogger, most people know, you basically get a super powerful server, which is 100% for free, which does give you big advantages in regards to different sites. I mean, for me in general, I would say Blogger is, in the majority of cases, much better than WordPress because it loads faster for one. You can do customization quite easy if you're wanting to do it. If you do have any interest in me doing like a Blogger videos, I can do it if people want that. Anyway, that's what I do. Thanks and have a good week. Bye.